Our motoring tip of the week concerns boosting a vehicle with a dead battery. Now, if you're not absolutely sure of what you're doing and or able to identify the positive and negative terminals on both vehicles properly, you want to back off and wait till you've either got good enough lighting or someone who knows exactly the procedure. Now, if you go to your owner's manual, it'll often detail a good procedure for safely boosting a battery. First of all, identifying the terminals is very important. Look at your positive, look at your negative. The positive is usually color-coded red, the negative is black. Hook up your cables, and when you get to the dead car, you're going to hook up that positive connection, making sure that you don't touch any other metal part of the body or short anything out. And you're going to try and make your negative connection at the engine at a solid ground point. Could be a bolt or a bracket on the engine, but try and make that connection away from the battery if at all possible. Also, it helps to turn on the headlights on the dead vehicle, because you can use that as a bit of a diagnostic tool to see when you've got a good, solid, clean connection. When you start out with the headlights on the dead vehicle, you'll have little or no light from the headlights. When you make that last, final, solid connection, you'll see the headlights perk up, and that tells you you've got the good connection from both vehicles, and your dead vehicle is now going to crank reliably. Turner? And that's your motoring tip of the week.
If you consider Motoring TV's been on the air for 30 plus years, there's no doubt you've missed a few episodes. Well, there's a couple of ways you can catch up and make sure you don't miss anything. First, you can go to YouTube and look up just segments or complete shows. Also, if you want to know what we're doing, like today on a daily basis, just go to our Facebook page. And also, you can go to motoringtvshop.com, get some cool swag. Oh, there's also that Instagram thing.